young enough to matter, too old to make a move. I'm growing accustomed to that ordinary view. John Doe in plain clothes, civilian, civilian. Those jitters you feel are your 20s being squeezed into a person you scarcely believe, folded into the machine. Civilian, civilian. I guess I ain't the goal, getting tired, conditioned to play it safe all the time. I head to bed with a million desires. Civilian, civilian. Well, I feel my heart and mind giving out. Think I might have fucked this up somehow. Me, I'm always figuring shit out. Civilian, civilian. That mask is cracked, some dreams burn clean. Who I thought I was versus who stares back at me. Just another note